Okay guys, we start. Boleh dengar suara dengan jelas? Okay, good. Okay. So today, hari ini kita akan buat subtopik 5.2. Okay, 5.2. Bab transformasi. Okay, transformation. So before that, sebelum tu, kita akan recap sikit. We call subtopik 5.1. Okay, 5.1. Okay guys, subtopik 5.1. Bab 5. Kamu semua belajar apa? What do you all learn in 5.1? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? Tak sharing ke guys? The rest? Is it sharing screen? Can see? Oh, kamu cek balik kod. Mungkin kamu, okay, nampak? Okay, bagus. Okay guys, so 5.1, what do you all learn? 5.1, bab 5. Siapa ingat? Okay, bagus. So anyone? 5.1, what do you all learn? Transformation. Siapa boleh bagi tahu saya? 5.1. Last week, for those attend last week, you can tell already. 5.1 kita belajar tentang kekongruenan. Am I right guys? We learn on congruency. Okay, 5.1. Okay, so 5.1 congruency. Okay, so guys, congruency. What are the two main points for something to be congruent? Apa dua ciri utama untuk kekongruenan? Siapa boleh bagi saya? Cuba komen. Apa dua ciri utama kekongruenan? First, come on guys, cepat jawapan. Apa dua ciri utama kekongruenan? First, kita belajar apa? Okay, can? Same angle, sama sudut. Second, same shape. Okay, very good. Same size. Okay, very good. Cukup. Very good. Okay, so always remember, same angle, same size. Okay, and also same length. One more thing, panjang dia kena sama. Then is congruent. Okay, so basically kita bincang pasal panjang dan sudut, length and angle. Okay, so let us try some question first on this 5.1. Kita recap sikit. Okay guys, so for this question, first question, they ask you to find perimeter. Cari perimeter setiap bahagian tanah. So macam mana buat yang ni? Anyone? Kalau siapa ada jawapan, boleh bagi tahu juga. If you have answer, you can direct respond. Cuba kira pelan-pelan. So anyone? Perimeter? Do you get the answer? Don't be shy to share, you know. Wrong doesn't matter. Just try only. Then I will guide you all. Okay, very close, but slightly wrong. Sedikit salah sahaja. Okay, let me check and see. I think it's just very slight. Yeah. Can anyone else try? What is the perimeter? Apa perimeter untuk soalan ni? Terlalu rendah. Very low already. Lebih tinggi dari yang tu. Tapi lebih kurang dari 372. Now the answer is in this range guys. Kamu kena cari X sekarang bagi saya, iaitu perimeter. So anyone else want to try? Apa jawapan dia? Perimeter. Siapa kat sini tak tahu macam mana nak jawab soalan A? Who like don't know how to do? Boleh angkat tangan? Siapa tak tahu? Okay, ada juga. Okay, I explain now guys. Okay, so while you all try, saya bincangkan dengan kamu semua. Okay guys, so they ask you perimeter. So perimeter for each region bagi setiap kawasan. So what does it mean? Mereka suruh kamu cari perimeter yang ni. They want you to find out this perimeter. Do you all understand? Boleh faham? So yang tu kamu kena cari. Okay? So siapa kat sini boleh bagi tahu saya apa panjang yang ni? What is this length over here? Anyone? Very good. Okay, so how you get 28? Can you explain a bit? How do you get that 28 value? Very good. Congruency, guys. Kekongruenan. No, we didn't discuss this yet. It looks similar a bit, but different value. Okay. So this one, this length here will be 28. 28. No, this is not textbook, but modify from textbook. Okay. The format is like that, but they changed the soalan. Alright. So, okay. Can anyone tell me what is this length? Apa panjang yang ni? Berapa? Berdasarkan wajah sekarang. Okay, very good. 56 meter, 56. Macam mana dapat? So 56, 28 tambah 28. So you get 56 meter. Alright? Okay, so apa panjang yang ni pula? What is this length? This is how you analyze, guys. Ini cara analisis bagi soalan macam ni. Yes, very good. 130, 130. 30 tambah 100. So total 130. Very good. Okay, so now guys, try to add all these values. Tambah semua nilai ni satu per satu. You should get the final answer. Okay. Oh, okay, I see the mistake already. Okay, so for those say 372 is correct. Okay, for perimeter. Okay, just now the answer give wrong already. Okay, so Emily, just now you're correct. Is 372 meter. Okay, so let me check one more time. Yeah, the answer is 372. Okay guys, so part A, kamu akan dapat 372 meter. Understand? Semua boleh faham? Cara dapat? Okay, very good. Okay, so now you want to find the area. Cari luas. So how can I get the area for these guys? Anyone know? You want to get this area. So how do I count? What is the first step? Okay, before that, can I find the area of this whole thing directly? Yes or no? Boleh tak saya cari luas ni secara terus? Definitely no lah. Okay, guys. The answer is 4480. Correct. Okay, guys. So how to do this? Basically, you can cut, potong menjadi dua bahagian. When you cut it, you can see it clearly. Okay, so this one is 56, 56, and then this one is 130. Okay, guys, can I ask you all, what is this length? Okay, got already. Sorry, soalan dah bagi 100 meter. Okay, so you can find the area. Am I right? Untuk luas yang hitam ni 100 kali 28. 100 times 28. Untuk luas berwarna ungu, purple color, 30 times 56. Understand? So then you just add up both answer, you will get the final value. Okay, so jawapan dia 4480. Understand, guys? Okay, so this one got typo. This one is actually 28, not 18. Okay, let me correct. Okay, so this one is 372. Okay, guys, are you all clear with this question? Boleh faham soalan ni? Respon sikit. Can, Okay, next one. Okay, guys, now we test and see. Can you all tell me, are these pairs congruent or not? Adakah pasangan ni congruent ke tak? Okay, first one, very good, congruent. Okay, so what make you say congruent? Reason. Although the question never ask reason, I want you to give reason. Saya nak sebab dari kamu semua. Mengapa soalan A ni congruent? Okay, very good. Same measurement. A bit more detail. Yes, same length. Correct. Corresponding side are equal. I like that sentence. Guys, when you answer reason, right? Answer like how Bowen say. Corresponding side are equal. Maksudnya sisi yang apa nama dia bersepadan. Okay, dia sama. Okay. So, how about question B? Are they congruent or not? Yes or no? Soalan B ni congruent ke tak? Okay, sama? Lagi-lagi? Very good. Okay, the answer is no. Okay, so why you guys say no? Can you give one reason? Very good. Corresponding angle different. Correct. So guys, you can see over here. 25, 30. Sudut dah berbeza. Yes, sudut tak sama. Very good. So that is the correct answer. Alright. So question C. Congruent ke tak? Yang ni. Okay, very good. So I think the reason is the same lah. Okay, so guys, one extra question I ask you here. What is the transformation happening here? Can anyone see? Apa transformasi yang sedang berlaku kat sini? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? If you can see carefully lah. Okay, can. Rotation can. How many degrees? Berapa darjah? Very good. 180 darjah. Okay, means you all understand lah. Okay, so the answer is congruent. Okay, because corresponding side and length are side and angle are equal. Okay, sisi dan sudut yang sepadan antara satu sama lain. Okay, okay. How about part D? Congruent or not? Okay, very good. Okay, yang ni tidak congruent. Obvious lah guys. Kamu nampak size pun tak sama. Okay, the size is different already. So definitely not congruent. Okay, so alright. So now guys, number 2. Can you tell me what are the pair of congruent shapes here? Apa pasangan yang congruent dalam wajah ni? Cuba bagi tahu. Okay, very good. AF is one. One more. Satu lagi. Apa lagi yang congruent? Very good. Okay, BE juga congruent. Is that it guys? Ada lagi tak? Is there any more congruent? Okay, very good. Okay guys, so A and F, if you can see carefully, what type of transformation is this guys? Apa jenis transformasi yang sedang berlaku? Wait, let me see. Yes. Okay, it's rotation. Yeah, putaran. Correct. Okay, so that's why it's congruent. Always remember guys, rotation, putaran, takkan ubah bentuk dan size object. It won't change your shape and size if you are doing rotation. So means that it's congruent. Okay? Okay, so now for B and E. Okay, yang ni juga congruent. Okay, so anyone can tell and see what transformation is happening here. Apa jenis transformasi? B ke E? Yes, also the same. Is rotation also, putaran. Okay guys, do you all understand? Boleh dapat? So the answer is AF and BE. Okay, so let me just write down first. We master D. Guys, a lot of you tell me, right? Form 5 bab 5, kamu semua struggle because ada banyak lukisan. Am I right, guys? Form 5 chapter 5, a lot of drawing. So you all don't like because technical, right? So I don't think it's as easy as you all think lah. Tak senang macam kamu nampak kat sini. Okay, especially when it comes to the drawing part. Dia susah sikit. Alright? So just practice only. buat secara berterusan latihan. Okay. So next one. Okay guys, for this question, can anyone tell me if the characteristic is SAS, the first one, what will be the characteristic you can get from these two triangle? Kalau dia SAS, apa yang kamu boleh katakan tentang dua-dua segitiga ni? What is the relationship? Like the length, the side. Can you all tell me any relationship that you all know? Siapa tahu? Okay, first of all, SAS. Does anyone know? SAS, how it will be? S, A, S. Am I right? So you read like this. This is SAS triangle, segitiga SAS. Same for this one. Okay, you got S, A, S. So kamu baca macam ni, SAS. Alright? So now guys, try to relate and see what are the similar things. Apa yang sama? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? PR equal to XZ. Yes, correct. So guys, can you imagine and see? This is the object. This is the image. So kamu cuba putarkan objek. You rotate the object a bit. PR yang ni akan sama dengan XZ. Boleh nampak tak guys? Can you see it? So you just rotate a bit anti-clockwise, lawan pusingan jam, kamu akan dapat PR sama dengan XZ. Okay? Lagi, what other things are equal? Apa lagi yang kamu boleh nampak sama dalam wajah ni? PRQ equal to ZXY. Okay, Sat, PRQ equal to ZXY. Okay. Kamu punya jawapan kan, dia tak sama sebenarnya. Okay, mengapa tak sama? Okay, PR sama dengan ZY. Yang ni kita tahu. Okay, so kalau kamu kata PRQ sama dengan ZXY kan, kamu kena cek yang ni. QR, kamu bandingkan dengan kamu kena bandingkan dengan yang ni. Yang ni. YK. Sebab sudut kat situ sama kan, kamu kata. So, kamu nampak secara betul. Adakah QR ni sama dengan YK? Kalau kamu nampak wajah. Sebenarnya tak sama tau. YZ sama dengan QR. Okay, YZ equal to QR guys. If you see carefully. After you rotate the whole thing. Okay. So, the answer is actually QPR sama dengan YXZ. Okay. So if you see carefully right guys, sebenarnya saya sudah tahu apa yang sedang berlaku kat sini kan. It's not rotation, you know guys. Dia bukan putaran. Do you all realize it's actually pantulan. Yeah. Okay, saya tersilap tadi. Actually it's reflection, pantulan. So means that titik Q adalah titik Y. Titik R adalah titik Z. P, X. Yang ni sepadan. They are all the corresponding points. So can you see that guys? So that's why QR sama dengan YZ. Okay. Sometimes it's look like rotation. Dia nampak macam putaran. Tapi kamu kena lihat semua transformasi dulu. Just check everything to make sure. Okay, it is 100% or not. Alright. So yeah. So you can get a few answer lah. Okay. So for question A, if it's SAS, maybe you can say PR equal to XZ and also QR equal to YZ. Okay, these two you can understand, right? Boleh faham kan? PR, XZ, dia sama because pantulan. Okay, and then QR equal to YZ. And then we talk about the angle, sudut. So QPR should equal to YXZ. Okay, you refer the diagram. QPR sama dengan YXZ. Can you all see? Because they already say it's congruent. Maksudnya, dia sama panjang dan sama size. Okay, dan sama sudut juga. Okay, same angle, same length, same size. Okay, so means that the angle also will be the same. Sudut dia akan sama. Alright? And then one more, PQR, dia akan sama dengan XYZ. Okay, one more. PQR equal to XYZ. Okay, you can see over here, PQR equal to XYZ. Boleh nampak guys? Can you all see it? So where is the SAS? Mana SAS? S, A, S. Kamu tengok apa yang kamu kena bandingkan. You see what you are comparing. If you are comparing two sides, one angle, SAS. Okay, same like here. S, S, A, S. Because we compare all these lengths dan sudut. So that's why you have SAS. Understand guys? Boleh faham? So this is for part A. Alright? And then for part B. So can anyone tell part B, SSA, apa ciri-ciri yang kamu boleh dapat? What is the characteristic you can get from these two triangles? Anyone? Try to think and see. SSA. Ada banyak ciri. Got a lot. Apa kaitan yang kamu boleh bagi kat saya kalau kita guna SSA? QR equal to YZ. Okay, one more. Satu lagi, angle. Now I want angle. So this one correct lah. QR equal to YZ because pantulan. So satu lagi yang kamu boleh bagi. Make sure you think and see guys. Think every single thing that is same. Cuba fikir semua yang sama. PQR equal to XYZ. Yes, very good. Correct. PR equals to XZ. Correct. Okay. You can say many things guys. Sebab yang ni adalah pantulan. Is reflection. Okay, so basically you only need to give one type of answer only. Satu sahaja. Okay, so the answer will be, maybe you say PR equal to XZ. Then you tell about the sudut. PRQ equal to XZY. Okay, so if you check and see, PRQ equal to XZY. Pantulan is a reflection. Alright, can you all understand guys? Boleh dapat? So this is the concept over here. Okay, so don't worry too much. They usually don't ask in subjective this one. Mereka tak tanya. Usually bahagian objektif sahaja. So I just train you all for the objective by using this kind of question. Okay, alright. So question 2. Can anyone try and see apa jenis segitiga kat sini untuk soalan A berdasarkan semua ciri ni? Anyone? Very simple. Soalan A. Kamu tak nampak sudut. You don't see any angle in question A. So maksudnya, what type of triangle is this? It should be anyone? Sisi sahaja diberi. Only the side is given. So means that S, S, S. Senang saja macam tu. Kamu lihat info yang diberi. Okay, just look at the information. So that's why 2A jawapan dia adalah SSS. Okay, so side, side, side. Okay, so question 2B. Okay guys, 2B, kamu kena label. You have to label one by one. Okay, so if you, mana satu lagi? Oh, mereka tak lukis. It's okay. So, AB, ABC, dan juga BAC. Okay guys, can anyone tell me what type of triangle is this? Cuba baca raja ni. Read the diagram. Because I know this part, you all confused a lot, right? On the type of triangle because you got 6 type. So this is your chance to practice. Okay, very good. Okay, the answer is ASA. So mengapa ASA guys? Cuba baca macam ni. Kamu nampak sudut A, kamu nampak sisi S, kamu nampak sudut A. So that's why the answer is ASA. Kamu baca macam ni pun boleh. This one also is ASA. Okay, so the answer is ASA. Boleh faham guys? Can you all understand? Comment a bit. If it's too easy for you, good for you lah. Kalau dia senang sangat untuk kamu, then means you are very good already. But I just try to do more question with you all until you guys really understand. Sampai betul-betul faham. Okay, so next one. Okay guys, so for question 1, they ask you to show that these two triangle are congruent. Kamu kena buktikan dua segitiga ni adalah congruent. So how can I do it? Macam mana saya boleh tunjukkan yang ni? Anyone know? What is the concept? You have to go back to the type of triangle. Kamu kena lihat jenis segitiga. Okay, so means that you must compare. Okay, so first thing that you can see over here guys, bila kamu nampak huruf ni, do you all recall anything guys? You see a Z symbol. So Z symbol tell you that dua sudut ni nilai dia akan sama. You will have the same value. So A is equal to B. Do you guys still remember this? Masih ingat tak konsep ni? Menengah rendah. You all learn. Okay, so means that ABC akan sama dengan DEC. This is your first characteristic. Okay, so you can tell ABC equal to DEC. Okay, so not yet finished. If you want to show they are congruent, kalau kamu nak tunjukkan dia congruent, what is the main thing we look at guys? Kita lihat apa kat sini untuk buktikan dia congruent? Can anyone tell? Do we look at the length? Adakah kita lihat panjang? Adakah kita lihat sudut, angle? Which one? Okay, dia satu daripada ciri, tetapi secara lebih besar, gambar besar, kita lihat apa sebenarnya untuk tahu dia congruent. Okay, so what influence the shape? Can anyone tell me? What will determine the shape? Apa yang akan menentukan bentuk sesuatu objek? Okay, panjang can. Other than that, selain yang tu. Start with letter A. No. Not angle. The main thing guys, yang besar, the big thing, is called as, bukan arah, area guys. Kita lihat luas. So means that, kalau luas sama, it is congruent. Boleh faham tak guys? Kalau luas sama, maksud congruent. That's the concept. Area same, definitely is congruent. So guys, how to see the area? Area is depend on what guys? Luas ni bergantung kepada apa? Can anyone tell me? Luas sesuatu objek macam segitiga dipengaruhi oleh apa? Apa dua faktor? Okay, very good. You can tell length lah, panjang. Okay, one more. Satu lagi. No. Triangle we don't have width. Kita tak ada lebar dalam segitiga. There is one more. Height not really, because kalau kamu nampak segitiga ni kan, is this a right angle triangle guys? Adakah ini segitiga sudut tegak? Yes or no? I don't think so. Yang ni bukan segitiga sudut tegak. Okay? So means that apa lagi yang akan mempengaruhi luas segitiga? Angle, guys. Sudut. Okay, maybe for modern math student, you won't understand this. Kamu takkan faham. But for those take at maths, anyone over here take at maths, can you type me in the comment box? Siapa ambil at maths kat sini? Because konsep ni boleh terangkan secara at maths saja. Maths tak ajar yang ni. Okay, lagi? Sama? Who take at maths? I want to see the majority. Okay, got lah. Okay, guys. So, mengapa saya kata sudut akan pengaruhi luas? Guys, do you remember this formula? For those take at maths? Untuk yang ambil mathematics sahaja, don't worry too much. Okay, you no need to know this. Okay, because it's not in the syllabus for maths. So, I just explain this one. Do you all remember this, guys? Untuk yang ambil at maths, tengok kat sini. Luas segitiga dipengaruhi oleh sudut. Am I right? Half AB sin C for those take at maths. So that's why kamu kena tengok sudut dia juga untuk soalan ni. Untuk tahu sama ada dia congruent. Okay, because sudut akan pengaruhi luas dia. Okay, angle will affect the area. Understand, guys? So this is the concept that is happening over here. Alright. So now, you must know the lengths. Kamu kena tahu panjang. Okay. So first of all, what are the same lengths here? Can anyone tell me? Apa dua panjang yang sama? Who can tell? Okay, first thing you can see, obvious. C is midpoint of AD. Okay. So if they say C is midpoint of AD, means that these two lengths will be the same. Am I right? So AC equal to CD. So this is another thing you can tell over here. AC equal to CD. Okay. So BA and DE, let me check. Okay, so if you say BA, DE, can, also can, but in this case, we are seeing the type of triangle, jenis segitiga. So if you check and see, now we have this one and this one, plus with the angle. So you got A, you got S. So we need another one. Satu lagi characteristic. BC equal to CE. Okay. If you say BC equal to CE lah, guys. Do you remember what I told you all last week? Untuk yang datang minggu lepas. If you want to see the type of triangle, you must see the kitaran, follow the cycle. So guys, if you got these three information, right, do we have a complete cycle? Yes or no? Adakah kita ada kita lengkap? Tengok, S, kat sini tak ada info. Kita tak ada A. Tiba-tiba lompat S, A. So can we form a complete cycle, guys? Ada tak? So cannot. Kita tak boleh guna karakteristik yang ni. Because kita tak ada sudut yang ni. Okay? So, we need to think of another way. Apa lagi info yang boleh bantu kita? So, if you check and see, there is one sudut over here. So, guys, try to look at this one. Okay, saya padam yang ni. Okay, guys, can you see this? This sudut over here. So, basically, BAC, dia akan sama dengan EDC. Can you all see this, guys? I think quite logic, right? If you see the second Z, this is also a Z. Do you all notice this? There are two Z over here. So that's why BAC equal to CDE. Do you all get it? Boleh faham? So this is the third characteristic. Okay, so basically, what is the type of triangle here, guys? Anyone know? Jenis segitiga. You got S, you got A, you got A. So what rule is this? You will read like this. Am I right? No, no, no. We don't have SAA. Okay, yes. AAS is the correct answer. Okay, kita tak ada segitiga SSA. Hanya segitiga AAS. Okay. So one thing you might ask me now, guys. I thought we don't have the side here. So how can you say this method is correct? Am I right, guys? Some of you might think like this, right? Okay, wait. Okay. I scared got scammer. That's why I quickly remove. Okay, we come back here, guys. He didn't say anything yet, so it's okay. Oh, last year. Okay, never mind. Okay, guys. What I wanted to say. Okay, some of y'all will think that why I don't have this side. Mengapa kita tak ada sisi ni? And then I can say the answer is AS. Always remember, guys, angle is first priority. Remember this in your type of triangle, jenis segitiga. Sudut is first priority, second is side. Means that if you don't have angle, that method is wrong. Kalau tak ada sudut, kaedah tu salah. Kalau tak ada sisi, masih tak apa. You can still read. Even no side is still okay. Because the priority always go to angle first. Okay? How to remember? Angle start with A. Am I right? For those take English lah. So A is the priority. Am I right, guys? Dia adalah huruf pertama, A. So means the priority go to angle, then the side. Understand? Boleh faham? So that's why the answer is AS. Understand? Everyone here? So your third reason is basically you tell the angle BAC equal to EDC. This is your third answer. Clear? Hopefully you all clear lah. Okay, good. Sometimes I worry about you all too much. I think that you all don't understand the explanation I give. That's why I just confirm first. Okay, so this triangle is AAS. Okay, based on the concept. All right. So next one. I think this is the last one already. Second last. Okay, guys. For this one, can anyone tell me what is the length of PQ? Apa panjang PQ untuk soalan ni? They already tell you that it is congruent. So you can assume a few things. Kamu boleh anggap beberapa perkara dari sini. So anyone want to try? What will be PQ? They tell you WU is 13 centimeter. So they want you to get PQ, this one. Wow, very good. Correct. Okay, the answer is 12 cm, guys. Okay, so how you get 12 cm? Okay, so basically SP nilai ni akan sama because they say it's congruent. Yes, kita guna theorem Pythagoras. Okay, so guys, 13, 5, 12. Okay, this is the Pythagoras theorem. So kalau TU 12, PQ pun kena 12 lah. Baru dia congruent. Am I right? Setiap sudut dan sisi kena sepadan. They must correspond to each other. So that's why we can assume like this. Understand? So PQ also is 12. Okay. So how about SRQ? What will be the angle? If you check and see SRQ. What do you all think? This one is slightly hard. Sedikit susah. SRQ. You must understand a few concepts first, then you can answer. Two concepts that you must know. Yes. Okay, the answer is 97. 97. Do you all get it? Okay, so you all can get it lah. I think it's good already. Okay, so now, okay, so how to get 97? So basically this one, this angle, sudut ni adalah 105. Am I right? 105. Because congruent. Congruent means that every single thing must be the same. So, how to get this angle? What is the total angle, guys? In one trapezium, jumlah sudut, it should be 360. 360 darjah. So, kamu tolak semua sudut lain. Minus everything. Then you will get 97 as your final answer. Understand? So this is how we get the answer. Okay, so PQ, you should get 12 based on Pythagoras. So I just draw here for you. Okay, and then this one is 105. So if you want to get SRQ, you just do like this. So you will get 97 darjah. All right, so this is how you answer. Okay, so last one. Okay, just now also we did this one already. So any problem for this one? Maybe you all can try again. For those that struggle just now, this is a similar type of question, but in textbook, buku teks. So how we get perimeter for this area? Kita cuba one more time. Practice make perfect, guys. Kalau kamu buat berulang kali, kamu akan dapat dah konsep dia. So how do I get perimeter? If anyone got answer, you can share already. Kalau ada jawapan. So anyone? Dah dapat jawapan perimeter? Can you all share? Okay, very good. 212 meter. Okay, so basically, yang ni pun 18 because congruent. So means that yang ni adalah 36. 36. This one is 70. Okay, so perimeter for question A, you will take 20 plus 36 plus 70 plus 18 plus 50 plus 18. This is your perimeter. So kalau kamu tekan calculator, total should get 212 meter. Understand? So this is the concept. How to get perimeter. Untuk setiap bahagian tahu guys. Setiap bahagian maksudnya dia nak yang ni sahaja. They only want this part. If they ask the whole area, perimeter you count like this. Perimeter adalah ukur keliling, like a fence. Okay, so if the whole area they ask, you must take the rectangle punya perimeter. Okay, so now for the area luas. So how do I get the luas? Okay, just now only I told you all, kita akan bahagikan kepada dua bahagian. So kita potong macam ni. Okay, so you can count one by one. So luas, kamu akan ambil 36 times 20 plus 50 times 18. Boleh nampak guys? So the answer is 1620 meter square. Faham? Can you get the concept? Okay, so I think with this we finish 5.1 already. Kita dah habis untuk kekongruenan. Okay, so everyone clear over here? Semua crystal clear tentang 5.1 kekongruenan? Any problem on this part? If no problem, you just comment no problem. Okay, no problem. We will go on to the next subtopic lah. Okay, very good. Okay, so next subtopic. Okay. Oh, okay. Okay, so next subtopic, we will talk about enlargement. Okay, so before we start, let me talk a bit to you about enlargement, pembesaran. Okay, so basically, pembesaran, very simple guys. Sangat senang. three important things that you all must take note in this topic, in this subtopic. Okay, so first thing, center. Pusat pembesaran. Very important. Kamu kena tahu macam mana dapat pusat pembesaran. Center of enlargement. Okay, very important. Second, scale factor. Faktor skala for our enlargement. Third one, symbol, the sign, whether it's positive or negative enlargement. These are the three things that you'll learn in this subtopic for enlargement. So anyone over here struggle in enlargement? Siapa rasa macam struggle bahagian ni? Boleh angkat tangan untuk subtopic ni. Because this one very important for 5.3. Kamu akan gabungkan pengetahuan ni. Okay, so ada juga. Okay, I show you a very simple concept. Saya lukis wajah untuk kamu. Okay guys, your job is you tell me whether it is an enlargement or not. Kamu bagi tahu saya sama ada dia pembesaran atau tak. Okay, so I draw for you. You see carefully. Okay, so let's say, okay, my drawing not so good. So just bear with it. Okay guys. Okay, so if you see this diagram directly, kamu nampak yang ni secara terus. Boleh tak kamu bagi tahu saya, adakah ni pembesaran atau tak? Is this an enlargement or not? Others? The rest? Is this enlargement or not? Okay, so a lot of you say yes, right? Okay, so you know what is the answer, guys? The answer is IDK. I don't know. Kamu takkan tahu, guys, sama ada ni adalah pembesaran atau tak. Remember this concept. An object that become large, sesuatu objek yang datang besar, tak semestinya dia adalah pembesaran. Kamu jangan tengok makna pembesaran tu maksudnya jadi besar. You have to check all this concept. Then only you can say it's enlargement. Do you understand, guys? Enlargement doesn't mean just become big. Tak datang besar saja. There are other concept that you must check and see. Okay, so kamu takkan tahu. Because saya tak bagi panjang kat kamu pun, I never give any length. I never give any angle. So how do you know? Kamu takkan tahu lah. Okay, so what is the way we check? Basically, let's say this is the object, this is the image. Katakanlah macam ni. So guys, first concept you're going to do is, you're going to draw straight lines to connect all the points. See whether they intersect or not. Wait, it's not that easy on an iPad, but I try and see. Wait, guys. When you draw on the paper, right, you can see clearly one. Okay, I just cincai like this lah. Okay, so just check and see. Okay, guys. So based on my drawing here, right, do you think there is a common point? Kamu rasa tak ada satu titik yang sama? Semua garis ni silang. Is there a common point where they all intersect? Are you sure? See the drawing carefully. Kalau kamu nampak, ada tak titik? Actually, no, right? Yeah, not really. So basically, what I want to tell from here, if there is no common point, kalau tak ada titik persilangan yang serupa, dia tak melalui pembesaran. There is no enlargement. Do you guys understand? So first thing that you check is intersection point. Okay, titik persilangan. This is the most important thing in enlargement. Okay, intersection point. Okay, understand? Second thing you check, I will show now with another diagram. Okay, so let's say I got two triangles like this like this. Okay, 2 segi 3. Okay guys, I ask you one more time. Is this an enlargement? Adakah ini pembesaran? Yes or no? Very smart, Sangat pandai dah sekarang. Jawapan dia IDK. I don't know. Because I never give you any length. Saya tak bagi panjang kat kamu lagi. Okay, now I give. Okay, let's say macam ni. Okay guys, now I ask you all, is this an enlargement? Adakah ini pembesaran? Yes. So only when you give the panjang, bila ada info, baru kamu boleh bagi tahu kat saya. So this is the second method. Second method is we check scale factor, faktor skala. Okay. First method was center. Now second method, scale factor. Okay, so let's say this is the object, this is the image. Okay, so scale factor, macam mana kira guys? We take image over object. So kamu boleh pilih lah mana-mana sisi yang kamu nak. Any side. Okay, so if you check and see 4 over 8. So you will get 1 over 2 as your scale factor. 1/2. Do you all understand? So this is the second method we can use. And also take note, scale factor, it can be positive or negative. Doesn't mean it is positive only. Dia boleh jadi negatif juga. Later we will learn more on that based on where is the center. Okay, berpandukan mana pusat pembesaran tu. Can you get it? So for this moment, you just take it as positive lah. No need to think a lot. Okay, so now about the scale factor, some common sense that you all must know. Okay, so if K greater than 1, kalau K lebih besar dari 1, which one is bigger guys? Object or image? Mana lebih besar? Kalau first condition macam ni. Anyone? You can see the formula. Kalau K lebih besar dari 1, means that which one has a higher value? Yes, image lah. So image greater than object. Okay, this is first condition. Second condition, K less than 1. Which one is bigger? Object or image? Sekarang terbalik. Yeah, so object lah. Object greater than image. Okay, third situation, jarang berlaku, very rare. K equal to 1. What does this mean guys? Apa maksud ni? Which one is bigger? Mana lebih besar? Very good. No enlargement. Tak ada pembesaran. Image equal to object. Boleh faham guys? This is the 3 syarat yang kamu kena tahu. I don't understand German language. Guys, I just recently noticed a lot like to play Duolingo now, right? Am I right? Semua suka main Duolingo ni. Setiap hari ada challenge. I think that's why you all talking to me different language. Is it the situation, guys? All of you playing Duolingo? Like every single day got a challenge, right? You must complete. Is it that the reason? Or you just learn new language? I also don't know. Siapa tahu tentang Duolingo ni? Anyone know? You know. The rest? Do you all play Duolingo? Duolingo. God lah. Different language you can learn. Boleh belajar pelbagai bahasa. German, banyak bahasa lah. Mainly European language. So quite useful also actually, Duolingo. Okay. That's why I see a lot of people talk different language. Okay. So part 1. Okay, this one even more special. Keadaan keempat. Guys, how if K equal to 0? Can anyone tell what is this meaning? Kalau faktor skala kamu sama dengan kosong, apa maksud dia? Okay, but cuba fikir. They won't ask, takkan tanya, but I want you to understand. Saya nak kamu faham. Apa maksud K sama dengan kosong? Anyone can tell lah. Cuba saja, jangan risau. Because this one is extra question out of syllabus tadi. So anyone? No. Oh, kamu cakap kamu tak tahu ataupun jawapan dia tak tahu. Saya pun IDK ni dah bagi kontroversi sekarang. No change. If no change, right, it is the third condition. Can you see it, Hakim? No change, image equal to object. Then only K equal to 1. Am I right? So now, K equal to 0. K sama dengan kosong. So kalau kamu nampak formula kan, K equal to 0, this one 0. Very good. No image. That is the answer, guys. Tiada image. Why? Kalau K kosong, maksudnya image kamu kosong. Am I right? No length. Tak ada panjang untuk image kamu. Kalau tak ada panjang untuk image, adakah kamu ada image? No image lah. Tak ada image. Sebab tak ada panjang. You have no length. So no image. But object? Do you have object, guys? Try to think and see. Adakah kamu akan ada objek kalau K sama dengan kosong? Yes or no? Is there any object? Yes, got actually. Very simple. 0, kalau kamu bahagi dengan apa-apa nombor pun, tetap kosong. Am I right? So maksudnya, objek tu kena ada lah. Dia akan ada nilai. It will have value. Kalau tak ada objek, if no object guys, apa nilai yang ni guys? What is this value? Kosong bagi kosong equal to what? Infinity, right? Tak ada penyelesaian. So, infinity dengan kosong tak sama. Not same. So, means that objek pasti akan ada nilai. It will definitely have a value. Maybe 8. Okay? Boleh faham? Can you all get the concept, guys? So, K equal to 0. Special one. You got no image, but you got object. Okay? No need to know in your syllabus, but just extra knowledge. Okay? Ilmu tambahan saja. Okay? So, are you all clear with everything I say over here? Semua yang ni jelas? Okay, so basically this is what you're going to learn in this chapter, all in one page. Okay? So now we will start. Kita akan mula. Okay guys, so first thing you learn in enlargement, pembesaran, you're going to see the similarity in all these shapes. Something like congruency, but slightly different. Sedikit berbeza. Okay? So basically, over here, we are talking about the lengths. Kita bincang pasal panjang and also sudut. So if you check and see guys, all the condition here, A equal to P, B equal to Q, C equal to R. So means that they all have the same value. Mereka ada nilai sama. Sama untuk yang ni. Nisbah dia sama. So guys, if you check and see this one, all these values here, what do they represent? Can you all tell me? Semua pecahan ni, dia sebenarnya mewakili apa kat sini? What quantity? Kalau kamu faham tadi apa yang saya bagi tahu. Yes, very good. So kamu akan dapat scale factor lah, faktor skala, yaitu nilai K. Can you all see it guys? So the ratio of the length, nisbah panjang, akan memberikan kamu faktor skala. So that is the concept that you must understand here. Okay? So kat sini mereka tak bagi tahu mana objek, mana image, we don't know. But definitely kita akan ada scale factor. Okay, tapi nilai kita tak tahu. We just don't know the value only. Understand guys? So this is the meaning of similarity lah, keserupaan. Alright? So now, try and see this one guys. Okay, they ask you to check and see, are these two same or not? Adakah mereka serupa? So your answer is yes or no only. Kamu kena lihat sudut dan sisi. So what you think, guys? Okay, very good. So how you check and see? This one and this one, they are not the same. Tak sama. Okay, you can minus the angle to further confirm. Actually, angle same, but if you check the length, kamu lihat panjang, dia tak sama dah. Okay, it's not the same. Okay, so basically, jawapan dia adalah actually it's serupa. Guys, one thing I forgot to tell you, size doesn't matter, because if you see the example here, right, these two are different size, but they are actually serupa. They are similar because they have the scale factor, factor scala. Okay, always check the factor scala. But over here, no length. Tak ada panjang kan? But it's okay. We check the angle and see. So if you count and see, kamu kira semua sudut, you will get 54. This one. And this one, you will get 47. Okay, guys. Can you all see now? If you try to rotate this triangle, can you all see that, guys? Boleh nampak? Kalau kamu putarkan ACB, you will get FEG. You rotate clockwise. So means that they are actually the same. They are sama. Hanya ada faktor skala yang membezakan mereka. Just a scale factor. Understand? But we don't know the value lah. That's the only thing. Yeah, it's a bit what to say, controversy lah, because they never give you any value, tak bagi nilai pun. Tapi kamu kena lihat sudut. They just want you to see the angle. Because, right, guys, if you, what to say, understand about line and angle, basically, if the angle is the same, right, if you check and see, right, same angle, what is the meaning? Of course, AC and AB, EG, EF. Kamu bandingkan dua pasangan garis ni. You compare these two, right? Definitely the value not the same. Nilai tak sama. But the nisbah, ratio of the value will be the same. Nilai nisbah dia akan sama. Why? Because they share the same angle. Mereka ada sudut yang sama. Do you all understand that, guys? So means that when the angle the same, the ratio of the length will be the same. Nisbah panjang akan sama. Itu yang kita boleh dapat dari sini. So that's why they are similar, serupa. Understand, guys? Do you get it? Actually, this one can show lah through formula actually, but here I don't want to show because this is just maths class only. Okay, so understand? So this is the explanation here. Okay, so can you see this? All the sides, they have the same ratio, kada. So they're talking about ratio here. And also same corresponding angle. So that's why they are similar type of triangle. So make sure you find all the angles. Then only you can check and see, are they same or not? All right. So next one, question B. Can you try and see, are these congruent? Are they similar? Yes or no? What do you all think? Adakah mereka sama? Yes. Okay, you can check and see. Okay, basically, this one also undergo rotation, putaran. If you try to rotate this one to here, 180 degree, you will get this. If you can imagine lah. Kena bayangkan sikit tau, guys. If your imagination skill not so good, you will struggle a bit. So try to make sure your imagination skill slightly good. Okay? So if you check and see, these two are the corresponding side, sisi yang sepadan. And then these two are also the corresponding side, sisi sepadan. And this one with this one. Can you all see? So guys, try to calculate and see. Kamu cuba buat 10 bahagi 8, you get 1.25. You try with the other length also. Okay, so maybe you take 8 divide 6.4, also 1.25. Then you try 9 divide 7.2, also 1.25. Semua ada nilai yang tetap. So this is actually the scale factor, faktor skala. Okay, so means that they are congruent. They are similar. Okay, objek yang serupa. So how to know? You check the angle. Can you see, guys? Are the angles all the same? Yes. Okay, exactly the same with each other. So means that serupa, similar object. Okay, so for question B, as what I showed just now, you can count and see all the ratio, like just now I press. Okay, so all the ratio of corresponding side are equal. So means that they are similar. Can get the point? So the main point, take note here is, you must count the ratio, kira nisbah, for all the length, for object and image. Okay, maybe you don't know which one is object, which one is image. It's okay. You just assume. Let's say this one is the object, this one is the image. Kamu kira. Mana-mana pun akan bagi jawapan yang consistent. Same value. Okay? Understand, guys? Can you get it for part B? Should be clear, right? Okay. Part C. Do you think it's similar? Adakah serupa? This one quite obvious, I think. Eh? Yeah. The answer is actually no, guys. Check and see carefully. Guys, you see over here. 10. Okay, this length. If you compare and see, kalau kamu bandingkan, yang ni sepatutnya 6. It should be 6 also. Because this is a square. Segi 4 sama. This is a rectangle. So 10 and 6, compare 6 and 12. Adakah nisbah sama? Is the ratio the same? No. So that's why tak serupa, not similar. Okay? Can you all understand? So this is the reason again. You count the scale factor, factor skala. Alright? So this one is for part C. So the ratio is not equal. Alright? Until here, everyone clear? Any question that you have? Any doubt? Before we go to the real part of enlargement, part yang sebenar. No question, huh? Tak ada soalan? Clear. Okay. So now we will come to the enlargement, guys. Okay. Check and see this diagram. So this is what I show you all just now. So basically, if you have a center of enlargement, pusat pembesaran, then only we call it as an enlargement. You must have this common point, titik yang serupa, the intersection point. Okay, so you can see that we connect the corresponding point on object and image. Kita menghubungkan titik sepadan atas objek dan juga image untuk bentuk garis. Okay, one more question you might ask, why is the line dotted? Mengapa kat sini garis dia putus-putus? Actually, in exam, you can draw straight line if you want. Okay, kamu boleh lukis garis solid dalam exam for enlargement. Okay, tapi kalau nak nampak jelas, then you draw dotted if you want to see clearly. Alright, so yes, it's kind of like imaginative line, like you extrapolate. You heard of this word, right? This is one of the graphing technique graph, extrapolasi, I think in BM. Okay, so yeah, extrapolate means that this is the original line. Am I right? When you connect the corresponding point on the object and image, but kamu kena extend garis ni ke belakang sikit untuk tengok mana mereka bersilang. Where is the intersection point? There will be a point If it's enlargement, definitely you will find a point. Okay? If you don't get a point, means that something wrong with your drawing lah. Lukisan kamu salah. Alright? So, the formula is image bahagi object. Simple as that. Okay? So now, okay, so basically, I told you all just now, right? Enlargement can be positive, can be negative. Boleh positif, boleh negatif. So guys, anyone know why the negative sign come? Mengapa munculnya simbol negatif? What is the reason? Very important concept. Adakah sebab size ataupun adakah sebab panjang negatif? Okay guys, common misconception, kesilapan yang lazim. It's not about the size. Dia bukan bermaksud image kecil tau. Kalau kamu lihat sebelum ni, slide yang ni, can you see that walaupun image lebih kecil, okay, faktor skala masih positif. Am I right? Your scale factor still positive. So positive negative is based on the center of enlargement. Kat mana kedudukan pusat pembesaran dia. Always remember this guys. Okay? So negative, this negative depend on position of center of enlargement. Kedudukan pusat pembesaran. Bukan image lebih kecil lah. Negatif tak tunjukkan image lebih kecil. Konsep yang selalu pelajar akan ingat. Because negative means image smaller than object. Wrong It's wrong concept. Because, guys, very logic question. Boleh tak panjang jadi negatif? Can length become negative? Yes or no? These values over here. Adakah kamu akan dapat nilai negatif? Pasti tidak. Tak kira apa-apa soalan pun, you will still get positive value. So means that positive or negative kat sini, dia tak berdasarkan yang ni. Okay, it's not affected by the length. Tak dipengaruhi oleh panjang. Sebab panjang selalunya positif. So means that ada faktor lain sebenarnya. Okay, so the factor is kedudukan pusat pembesaran, the position of center of enlargement. Understand guys? Until now? So don't get the misconception that negative means smaller. It means where is it located? The center. Okay? So, yeah. So, I think all of this explain already lah. Semua yang ni dah diterangkan. Okay? So now, okay, this is where you all see guys, how to know positive or negative. Okay, we start with positive lah. Kita lihat positif. Okay, so first condition. Kalau kamu nampak lah, guys, can you see that center, pusat pembesaran, dia paling kiri atau paling kanan? Can you see that? The most left or most right? Then you will get a positive value, nilai positif. Okay, dia kena kat hujung kiri atau hujung kanan. This is the concept for all these three. Okay, so this one, image bigger than object, lebih besar. So K lebih besar dari 1. Okay, and then second, sama size. So K equal to 1. Third condition, image lebih kecil, smaller than object, so less than 1. Okay, and also take note, it can be greater than 0. Dia mesti lebih besar dari kosong. Tak boleh sama dengan kosong. K tak boleh sama dengan kosong. Because, just now I explained already, tadi saya dah terangkan. Kalau K sama dengan kosong, kamu tak ada image. You have no image already. Invisible lah, kamu tak boleh nampak. Okay, can you all understand? So this is the condition for positive enlargement. We actually call this, all of this, positive enlargement, pembesaran positif. Okay, because the scale factor is positive. Faktor skala kamu positif. So, pembesaran kamu juga positif. Alright? Okay. So, untuk yang 3 lagi, 3 more, is negative. So, why negative? Kamu lihat kedudukan pusat pembesaran. If you check and see guys, your center of enlargement, it is at the center, kat tengah-tengah object dan image. Can you see the difference guys? Everyone here? This one is all to the left, sebelah kiri. Ataupun sebelah kanan, paling hujung pun boleh. Tapi untuk yang negatif, dia kat tengah-tengah. Is in the middle. So that's why it is negative. Do you all understand? Semua boleh faham? Kalau pusat pembesaran tu kat tengah-tengah, faktor skala auto kena tambah nilai negatif. You must add the negative sign on your own. So we call this as negative enlargement. Pembesaran negatif. Do you all get it? Can respond a bit? Boleh faham? Semua konsep yang ni. The magnitude, nilai faktor skala, exactly the same as above. Same concept. Like image, same as object, k equal to 1. And then image greater than object, k greater than 1. Okay, all the same concept. The only thing is tambah negative. Which part? Bahagian mana? Untuk yang negatif ke? Oh, okay. So, macam mana tahu negatif? Kamu lihat kat mana pusat dia. Kalau pusat kat tengah-tengah antara objek dan image, dia adalah pembesaran negatif. Itu konsep dia. Okay? So, itu cara kamu identify. Kalau positif, pusat dia kat hujung kiri atau hujung kanan. Mana-mana satu. Okay guys? Clear on it? So, you're good. Okay. So, now we check and see guys. One example to show you all how do we get the scale factor. Okay. Okay, so first question, we check on ABC. Okay guys, so if you see ABC, can we get the center? Boleh tak kita dapat pusat pembesaran? I think can, right? So basically, you just connect all the line. Sambungkan semua titik yang sepadan. So if you connect and see, can you see that you will have a common point? Kamu ada titik persilangan. Okay? So what is the coordinate guys? Apa coordinate yang ni? The value? Because this one, you must mention in your answer. Kamu kena bagi tahu pusat pembesaran dia kat mana. So the coordinate is -2, -1. Am I right? So what type of enlargement is this? Apa jenis pembesaran? Positive or negative? Based on what I explained. Kamu lihat dia pusat, object, image. So what enlargement? Cuba komen. Yes, positive lah. Don't confuse not negative. Negative if is like this. ICO, image, center, object. This one is negative. Ataupun OCI. This one also is negative enlargement. Line-line susunan, semua positif. Everything is positive. Okay, hanya dua situasi saja macam ni boleh jadi negatif. Okay, so if you check and see, this one is COI. So means that positif lah, dia tak ada kat sini. COI tak ada. Understand? So your answer is positive lah. Okay, so you can see over here. Kat sini mereka tunjuk. So this is the diagram. Kamu boleh lukis. Alright. So the explanation is, okay, kamu boleh cari nilai. Okay, so how to get the value? Okay, this one is interesting a bit. So basically, my advice, you take the horizontal line. Ambil garis mendata. Why? Senang nak kira nilai. Easier to get the value. Kalau kamu ambil garis condong, is a bit harder. Lebih susah nak kira. So horizontal is definitely easier. So this one is 4. This one is 6. Okay, so you can find the scale factor, factor scala. So factor scala is 6/4. Image, object. So 1.5. Can you understand? Boleh faham? So that's why you will get this answer. Okay, so image lebih besar dari object. Understand? Hopefully you all get it lah. Okay, so it's like this. Okay, very good. Okay, so let me see. Okay, one more thing, right, guys? Take note how to know which one object, which one image. You see the symbol here. Huh? Kalau kamu nampak simbol pelengkap, you see the prime. This is called as prime in maths. When you see this symbol, this means image. Like A prime. A prime mean image. A mean object. Okay, they won't tell you in the question. Kamu kena tahu. A prime tu maksudnya image. A tu maksudnya object. Okay, so yeah, this is the only thing that you need to know. All right, so next one. Okay, let me see what is the next one. Okay, you are sana RSTU. Okay, so if you check and see RSTU, mana RSTU? Wait, guys, where is the object? Oh, I think, ke atas. Okay. Oh, tak lukis kat sini. Never mind. Kita lihat kat sini. Okay, guys. RSTU. If you check and see, this is image, this is object. Correct? So you can find the center. Okay, before center, what is the scale factor? Apa faktor skala untuk dua-dua yang ni? Can you all try and see? What do you get for scale factor? Cuba jawab. Macam mana boleh 3? Yes. Guys, don't confuse. Formula is image over object. This is your image, 1. This is your object, 3. So 1/3. Okay? You must check and see, guys. Simbol. Kalau kamu nampak simbol pelengkap, itu image kamu, the prime. Okay, yang apostrophe like that. Okay, so image is yang lebih kecil dari object. Okay, so now pusat, we have to find the center. So center, kita hubungkan titik yang sepadan. So you connect R dengan R, U dengan U. Okay, kamu boleh nampak dah. Ada satu titik kat sini. There is one common point. So guys, is this positive or negative enlargement? Mana satu? Kamu lihat kedudukan. See the position. Kamu ada O. Kamu ada I. Yes, very good. Okay, it is positive. So this is O, I, C. Okay, so OIC means that positive enlargement. Okay, so the answer is this one. Okay. All right. So you will get, 1/3. And make sure you state the center. Kena bagi tahu pusat dia. What is the coordinate? Okay. So whenever you describe transformation, right, guys? Huraikan transformasi, you have to answer like this. First, tell the scale factor, faktor skala. Second, center, pusat. Yes, recorded. Third, positive or negative. 3 information, which mean that 3 markah. Okay, you must tell all these 3 untuk satu jawapan lengkap untuk transformation. Alright? So make sure you know how to identify. Okay, so next one. Okay, guys, if you check this diagram, can you all tell me what is the scale factor over here? Apa faktor skala? Now I never tell you which one image, which one object. You identify on your own. Kamu tengok dulu mana objek, mana image, then kamu bagi tahu apa faktor skala. Form 4 soon, mungkin bulan Oktober nanti. Let me see. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Wait, I need to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. Got different answer. Let me check. I think the answer is okay. The answer is -2. Hakim correct. Guys, so how to get? Okay, this diagram a bit more complex, but you can see it. You compare carefully, This one is 4, 4 unit. This one is 2. Ini adalah sisi yang sepadan, corresponding side. This is like a reflection. Can you see it, guys? Dia macam pantulan kan? A big object, pantulkan, then you make it small, jadi lebih kecil. So this is like a mirror. Okay? So that's why these two are the corresponding side. So you take image, divide object. So it's 4 divide 2. So you get 2. Okay, now check and see. Is this a positive or negative enlargement? Which one? Adakah dia positive or negative? Yes, negative. Why negative? Kamu lihat. I, O, I, C, O. Image, center, object. So center, if in the middle, negative. Why 2? Bukan 3 kotak. Sat Wait saya kena lihat. Oh, sorry. Saya kira yang salah. Sorry guys, this is not the one we compare. The one we compare is this one. Saya lukis salah. Yang ni 2. Okay, sorry. Just now my mistake. Okay, so the corresponding side and object is actually LM dan LM. Saya tak lihat label dia. Okay, they already label for you. LM. So kamu ikut label saja. Tak perlu tengok mana yang sepadan. Alright? So, yeah. Sebenarnya yang ni bukan pantulan. This is not a reflection. Okay? I think it's more on rotation, putaran. Yeah. Okay? So make sure check label. Walaupun dia nampak macam sama, tapi tak sama. It's a bit different. Okay? So the answer is this one. -2 pusat plus with pembesaran. Okay, so one more thing guys. When you write, bila kamu tulis enlargement, kalau pembesaran dia negatif, kamu tahu dia negatif, is a negative enlargement, jangan kamu tambah perkataan negatif kat sini. Don't use the word negative here. If you write -2, okay, you just say enlargement. Kamu bagi tahu pembesaran sahaja. Okay, so the concept is like, if pembesaran negatif, kamu cakap scale factor, faktor skala 2. Tapi, kalau kamu cakap pembesaran sahaja, kamu kena cakap -2, scale factor. Can you see it guys? If you write negative enlargement, you put scale factor 2. If you just write enlargement, you put scale factor -2. So jangan contradict. So kalau kamu tambah negatif kat sini, jangan tambah negatif lagi. Dia akan contradict. Alright? Can you get it guys? This one is more on language lah, bahasa. Okay, so make sure don't add negative 2 times. 1 kali cukup. Okay? Do you all understand? Boleh faham? Can Wah, very good lah ya. Siapa kata bab ni susah? This chapter easy only lah. That's why I tell you all. Optimistic guys. There is two difference, you know. Optimistic and realistic. I don't know which one you all want lah. It's easy, just form 4. Not just form 4. This one is form 5 work, you know. Enlargement you never learn before. Kamu tak belajar pembesaran. Sampai form 5 sahaja belajar. So this is a new thing. Okay, kamu tak belajar yang ni. Okay, so I think is, let me check and see. Yeah, I think it's time already. Okay, so everyone here, do you all understand the lesson today? Boleh faham seluruh all the enlargement today? Got some more? We will continue more on this next week. So yeah, I mean form 4 yang hard. Form 4 hard guys. Can I ask everyone here? Do you feel like form 4 harder than form 5? I want to see lah what you all think. Form 4 lebih susah ke? Okay. Don't worry. I'll try more revision on form 4 with you guys. Once we finish the form 5, right, we will go to form 4. Before your SPM, we will do all the 10 topics. Form 4 means that this is like intensive class lah. Satu class, kita cover satu bab. So total 10 class. From chapter 1 sampai chapter 10. We discuss all the question, semua soalan trial berkaitan bab tu, bab 1 to bab 10. Maybe somewhere around November lah. Okay, we will start. November to December, 2 months kita boleh habis. Okay. Which one? You mean this file? Oh, yeah. I will post in the group. I'll inform later. I think now you all busy for trial, right? Am I right, guys? Kamu sekarang semua sibuk kan? Because trial coming. Yeah, so after trial, better like that. Selepas trial kamu habis. And you all settle already, then we will start the form 4. So, sekolah dah habis form 5 ke? Masa sekarang? Have school finished already? Maths, Maths? Semua bab? Form 5? Not yet Wah, risau lah macam ni. Bila trial? Bulan ni kan? Okay, so means that must study ahead lah. Your school, late August, bulan 9. Okay. Can lah guys, boleh buat. I feel like you all can do it. Although I see that most of the people in the group say like not so confident, right, on yourself. Kamu tak berapa sure lagi kamu boleh perform ke tak. Am I right? But it's okay. Just take, no lah. I finished SPM already. Okay. So yeah, just try to perform to your best. Trial is just to test you all only. Uji sahaja. The result is secondary. The most important thing is you learn. Kamu belajar dari kesilapan so that you improve for your SPM. Okay? Because lebih baik buat lebih bagus dalam SPM kan? It's better to do well in SPM rather than trial. Okay? Because SPM result lah paling berharga, bukan trial. Okay? So make sure you focus on the correct thing. Jangan anggap trial ni macam the last thing already. But the last thing is your SPM, bukan trial kamu. Dia hanya second last. Okay? Yeah. So thank you. So teruskan perjuangan, okay? Keep on fighting. If anyone got question left, you can stay here and ask. I can still answer you all. Felt relief. So long I want to ask, for example, side PR and side RP, same or not? Alphabet left and right. Alphabet position will matter. You must see the corresponding alphabet like B and B prime. Okay, if they don't give you label on alphabet, then you must just look at the diagram and check and see. If they don't give any letter for you, you must imagine and see lah. No other way. If they give alphabet, then follow the alphabet. Okay, equal like B and B prime. Those are the corresponding one. I think that's your meaning. Don't see the position. If they give you like that, the alphabet, you just follow. Don't need to do your own drawing. Okay, only if they never give. All right, thank you. Thank you.
Self
Wow, so loud.
Hello?
Yes.
I got echo.
Don't know. From which side?
Do you hear echo?
Your side. It's your side. Yes, yes. Sure. You can ask.
Hello?
Got echo. Maybe you type out lah. Or maybe you take out your other device. You got two devices, right? You just use one device only. Then the echo won't be there. You just talk from one device, enough already. Now you try and see. Thank you, Winnie. No mic. Oh. Then you must exit with the correct device lah. You just join the device with the mic.
Hello?
Got echo. You take off the other device. The one you're not using the mic. Okay, now try and see.
Hello?
There? Okay, Eddie. Wait, I stop record first. Later this one get recorded.